You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. It's a plural of the word caecum. Yes, indeed, that gives you a bit of a hint of the pronunciation. So it's very too often mispronounced. It's from anatomy. It's pronounced simply caeca. This is the pouch connected to the junction of the small and large intestines. Stay tuned if you're wondering how to pronounce it. Caeca is the pronunciation in English, the correct pronunciation, how to pronounce caeca. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.